Kamusta? Cynthia, Aligan, Kawan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hopefully, I'll get to meet you next time we're home in the film.
Happy 46th birthday, Sister Cynthia. Sana bigyan ka ng Lord ng mahabang buhay. Maraming birthday. Sana ingatan ng Diyos ang iyong pag-asubol sa araw-araw. Bigyan ka niya ng lakas ng pangkay sa araw-araw. Yun lang. I love you.
Hello sister, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa bunso namin. More birthdays to come. Buhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday kapatid. Gusto salamat yung successful ka pa sa iyong career. Maraming salamat. Nakapanood ng maraming birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Ingat ka lagi. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my dearest mother and my kindest mother, and wish you all sa maputing kalagayan nyo and keep safe lagi. We love you.
Happy birthday po, May. Kahit nasa malayo po kayo nasusuportahan nyo po kami. More blessing pa po to come para sa iyo, May. Tapos more days to celebrate pa po. I love you and I miss you po. Miss ka na po namin dito, May. I love you.
Hello po, Mami. Happy birthday. Wish you good health. Mag-ingat ka po dun sa Macau and always trust in God and He will guide you. And I wish you will have fun in your birthday, and I'll always love you and will love you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Sisi Cynthia. Kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, pero isang pamilya tayo dito sa YT. Maraming salamat, nakilala kita. Isang mabait na ina, maunawain, mapagmahal sa isang pamilya. Salamat laging sa support mo. Napaka-active. Pag may time, kahit gaano tayo ka-busy, pero andyan ka. Maraming salamat. Wish you all the best. Good health. All your wishes come true. Happiness in your family. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Sisi Cynthia. Stay what you are. Love you.
Hi, sis. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. And stay humble. Stay healthy. God bless. Amring labang lang tayo. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi, Sis Cynthia. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, and more blessing to come. Thank you for always supporting my channel. You're so kind to everyone. God bless to you and to your family.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat, lalo na sa team ko. Maraming salamat sa support palagi. Happy birthday nga pala sa iyo, B. Cynthia. Maraming salamat sa support mo palagi. Kahit di na ako nakakasupport sa premiere mo, nandiyan ka palagi, nag-support sa akin. At maraming salamat din sa blessing na binibigay mo sa akin. Kahit wala man akong maibalik sa iyo, nandiyan ka palagi nag-support sa akin. Maraming salamat. Ingat ka palagi dyan sa Hong Kong. And God bless. And bye-bye. Ingat ka palagi dyan, Be Cynthia. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Cynthia! Ayan. Best wishes sa'yo ay good health and stay beautiful. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit!
Hi, si Cynthia. Happy birthday. Thank you. Kasi isa ako nagbigay sa'yo ng greeting sa iyong kaarawan. And wish ko sa'yo always take care, always pray, and whatever you do, wherever you are, always pray. Kasi yan lang ang ating panlaban sa ating punasan tayo. And be thankful every morning when you wake up. We always say thank you kasi it's a good blessing. So anyway, happy birthday to you, and more blessing and more birthdays to come, and more good health, of course, and take care always. And anyways, thank you kasi hindi man tayo same time, pero I know hindi ako nakakasupport sa yung premiere, pero I do my best na magpi-play ako. And hindi man everyday, pero as long na kaya ko, like I said, we're not the same time and we are different words, so basta magpe-play lang ako. Thank you for Team Tagay kasi it's because of you hindi tayo, you know, nagkakakilala tayo. It's because of YT. Pero always remember, YT is a pastime, and it's like a, you know, a parang ano natin, it's like a, you know, we meet, like we have a friends because the YT, pero it's a pastime. So thank you so much. Thank you talaga. Super haba na itong message ko. Thank you. Happy birthday, my friend. And God bless and take care always. Bye. Love you.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑해, Ate Cynthia. 생일 축하합니다. Happy birthday, Ate Cynthia. Naway bigyan ka pa ng malakas sa pangangatawan, pagpalaing ka pa, iwas stress, stay pretty and humble. Anyong!
Yung mga idol, wala tayo sa magbibigay ng greetings sa birthday celebrant. Pero bago yun, maraming salamat pala sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa channel ni Cynthia Official. Yun, maraming salamat sa inyo mga idol. Yun, happy birthday pala Bebeb o Cynthia, Ate Cynthia. Yun, happy birthday. Yun, sabi nga nila, ano, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Ang galing mo talaga, bright ka.
Tapos, yun, sana mag-enjoy ka sa kaarawan mo.
Sana all.
At sa pangaraw-araw, sana mag-enjoy ka.
Happy birthday! Live what you want and want what you live.
Ito lang buhay YT. At yun, maraming salamat ulit. At happy birthday.
Po sa aming ate na bunso na hindi tumatanda, happy birthday. Sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord at enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Hello! This is Handsome in Australia. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ang isa sa Team New Zealand sa kanyang kaarawan. Happy birthday, si Cynthia Official Vlog. Wish ko more birthday to come, good health, at more blessing. Naway pagpalain ang iyong YouTube channel na marami pang friends na makilala. Salamat sa Team New Zealand sa inyong support. At naway tuloy-tuloy lang nating suportahan ang ating birthday girl. Salamat Sisi sa pag-share mo rin ng blessing sa akin. Salamat. At naway magkaroon ka ng happy birthday. And laban lang kung ano man yung mga dinadaanan, mga pagsubok natin sa buhay. Laban lang. God bless you. Naway marami pang friend na makilala through YouTube. Enjoy lang, laban lang, and God bless you. Thank you sa lahat, suporta, at sa mga blessing. Thank you. God bless you and more power sa yung YouTube channel. Happy birthday again, and bye-bye! Thank you!
Hi! Mega love shout out sa aking amiga sa Whitey World, Cynthia Official Vlog. I wish your happy blessed birthday sa'yo. I wish your happiness and good health. Thank you so much to give me opportunity to greet your special day. Happy birthday! Enjoy! See you around sa YT. Thank you so much. Bye-bye! Enjoy your day. Happy birthday sa you. Thank you.
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.